Hi everyone, this is Motorcycle Showroom, a channel dedicated to introduce new line of motorcycle from leading manufacturers around the world. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and like my videos. When you think of Guzzi, it is the image of V7 that will pops up into your brain. The Italian factory has knocked out bikes with engines of assorted capacity and configuration, since it started production in 1921, from dinky 2-strokes through 8-valve overhead cam Ducati Challengers to 1400cc behemoths. But it's air-cooled 90 pushrod V-twins that have been their signature since 1967 when they launched the V7 powered by a V-twin displacing 700cc. Easy to see where the moniker came from. Later V7s, including the iconic Sport of the early 1970s, grew to 750 and evolved into the legendary Le Mans. The firm's success was built on the pushrod V-twin and V7, so when Guzzi created a new retro-style bike for 2008, it had to be a 750 and had used the celebrated name. The softly tuned, back-to-basics naked has been a success, with various updates and technical tweaks keeping it fresh. However, with rivals like Triumph Street Twin offering additional MPH and a luxurious feel, from 2021 the V7 is an 850. Earlier 744cc V7s always got the balance of then and now just about spot on. Some retros, like Royal Enfield's Bullet and the Benelli Imperiale 400, are just like riding an old bike, while machines like the Triumph Speed Twin and Yamaha XSRs are modern tackle in period costume. But with traditional feel and sensations mixed with modern quality, manners, ease of use and reliability, the Guzzi has always seemed reassuringly genuine. It's still the case with the 853cc bike. Becoming an 850 doesn't really change the Moto Guzzi's positioning though. The V7 is still classier, nicer made and gruntier than a Royal Enfield 650 Interceptor, but $3,000 more expensive. And it's still less punchy than a Triumph Street Twin and way slower than a Yamaha XSR 900, yet more authentic and charismatic than both. As before, the V7's most direct rival is Kawasaki's underrated parallel twin W800, which outclasses the V7 on period detailing but like all other retros falls short in one vital area. It doesn't say Moto Guzzi on the tank.
I could follow paths taken by others. Always staying one step behind. I could wait for an indication. Or I could simply watch those who have already tried. I could, but I don't want to. I want to choose my path. I want to experience every turn with certainty. I want to start with a blank page, not knowing how my journey unfolds. I want to conquer the horizon with clear eyes and an open heart. I want to laugh with abandon. I want to run to get there and be present in the moment. I want to replace the wind with my breath. I want to know how to listen to the waves. I want to be reassured by an embrace and stirred by a look. I want to exist.
Thanks for watching our video. Stay safe and see you again next time.